With 2 brand new versions and other updates, the 2026 Ram 2500 doesn't just wow everybody, but completely redefines what buyers should expect from a heavy-duty truck. Let's check it out. Black Express stylish entry-level trim. The pickup truck market has a problem. Entry-level models often look stripped down and bare bones, but Ram's new Black Express changes that equation entirely. Based on the proven tradesman foundation, this trim delivers style that punches way above its price point. Starting at just $53,735, the Black Express proves you don't need to spend luxury money to get luxury looks. The secret lies in smart design choices that maximize visual impact. Those striking black 20-inch wheels immediately set it apart from typical work trucks, while the body-colored bumpers and grille surround create a cohesive, finished appearance that rivals much more expensive models. The Sport Performance hood adds an aggressive stance that makes this truck look ready for action. Combined with the cab-length tubular side steps, getting in and out becomes effortless while maintaining that rugged truck appeal. The available paint options include diamond black, bright white, granite crystal, silver zenith, forged blue, flame red, ceramic gray, and molten red. Nothing ruins the professional image like showing up to a client meeting in a truck that screams budget model. That's where the Black Express interior makes all the difference. Cloth bench seats provide durability for work duty, but the carpeted floors and quality materials elevate the experience beyond basic transportation. Front and rear parking sensors come standard, a feature that many competitors charge extra for in this price range. Buyers can choose between rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, plus short or long bed options, making this trim adaptable to different needs and budgets. Therefore, whether you need maximum fuel efficiency with rear-wheel drive or year-round capability with four-wheel drive, the Black Express delivers without forcing compromises. And while the Black Express proves that style doesn't require a massive budget, if you really want to see value in action, wait until you check out what Ram did with their most affordable off-road package. Warlock, affordable off-roader. Off-road capability usually comes with a premium price tag, but the 2026 Ram 2500 Warlock rewrites those rules completely. At $57,165, this trim costs nearly $20,000 less than the Rebel while delivering serious trail-ready performance that puts many expensive off-road trucks to shame. The Warlock name carries serious heritage, dating back to the 1970s Dodge D-Series trucks. But this isn't just nostalgia marketing. Ram engineers built this truck to handle real off-road challenges while keeping costs reasonable. The foundation starts with the crew cab configuration and short bed setup, creating optimal weight distribution for challenging terrain. Picture getting stuck on a remote trail with no cell service and the nearest tow truck hours away. That nightmare scenario explains why those massive 34-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires mounted on 20-inch wheels provide serious grip and ground clearance. But Ram didn't just bolt on bigger tires and call it done. The suspension receives specific tuning for off-road duty, featuring Bilstein dampers that soak up impacts while maintaining control. Protection comes built in with the transfer case skid plate because off-road adventures often involve contact with rocks and debris. The limited slip rear differential ensures power reaches the ground even when traction gets sketchy. Hill descent control adds another layer of capability, letting drivers navigate steep descents with confidence. Black bumpers, fender flares, and grille surrounds create an aggressive look that matches the performance. The distinctive Warlock bedside decals pay homage to the truck's heritage. Inside, the focus remains on durability with cloth upholstery and practical bench seats that can handle dirty work clothes and muddy boots. Four-wheel drive and the 405 horsepower Hemi 6.4-liter V8 come standard, providing the foundation for serious capability. But for those who need maximum torque, the Cummins diesel upgrade adds $12,595 while delivering 1,075 pound-feet of twist. And speaking of that power, all the off-road gear in the world means nothing if you don't have the engines to back it up, which is where Ram's powertrain strategy gets really interesting. Powertrain, proven and capable. Under the hood, the 2026 Ram 2500 doesn't gamble with unproven technology. Instead, Ram relies on battle-tested powertrains that have earned their reputation through millions of miles in real-world conditions. This approach pays dividends in reliability, capability, and long-term ownership costs. The standard 6.4-liter Hemi V8 delivers 405 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, providing more than enough muscle for most heavy-duty applications. This engine's proven track record spans decades of commercial use, from construction construction sites to ranch operations. Therefore, buyers get peace of mind that comes from choosing technology that's been refined through countless real-world applications. Every truck owner knows the feeling of pressing the accelerator and getting nothing but a sluggish response when trying to merge with traffic while towing a heavy load. That's exactly why the 8-speed automatic transmission represents a significant upgrade over previous generations. This modern gearbox provides smooth shifts under all conditions while optimizing fuel efficiency through closer gear ratios. Whether towing a loaded trailer up a mountain grade or hauling materials to a job site, this transmission maintains performance without breaking a sweat. For maximum capability, the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel inline-6 stands as the ultimate heavy-duty power plant. With 430 horsepower and a massive 1,075 pound-feet of torque, this engine redefines what's possible in the 2500 class. Ram's engineers have transformed it into a smooth, quiet power plant that rivals gasoline engines for comfort. The Cummins diesel unlocks a maximum towing capacity of 20,000 pounds in the 2500, while the real-world testing proves these trucks can handle sustained heavy loads without overheating or losing performance. Therefore, whether you're pulling horse trailers, boats, or construction equipment, the Ram 2500 delivers consistent capability that competitors struggle to match. But having all that power is meaningless if the truck beats you to death on the road, which is exactly why Ram's approach to ride quality will blow your mind. Capable but refined. Anyone who's spent 8 hours behind the wheel of a rough-riding work truck knows how punishing poor suspension can be on your back and nerves. That's precisely why the suspension system represents the crown jewel of Ram's refinement efforts. While competitors rely on leaf springs that bounce and crash over bumps, Ram employs a sophisticated multi-link rear setup that soaks up road imperfections like a luxury sedan. Optional air suspension takes refinement to another level entirely. This system automatically adjusts ride height and damping characteristics based on load and driving conditions. Therefore, an empty truck rides smooth and comfortable, but loading it with cargo or hooking up a trailer triggers automatic adjustments that maintain optimal geometry and performance. The last thing you want after a long day of hard work is climbing into a loud, uncomfortable cabin that feels more like punishment than transportation. Inside the cabin, Ram sets the standard for heavy-duty luxury. Premium materials throughout the interior create an environment that rivals high-end SUVs. The extensive use of acoustic glass and active noise cancellation technology creates a quiet sanctuary that makes long drives pleasant rather than punishing. The attention to detail extends to every surface and control. Soft touch materials cover high contact areas, while real wood and metal accents add authentic luxury touches. The multi-level center console can accommodate a 15-inch laptop, transforming the truck into a mobile office for contractors and business owners. And with all these impressive features across the board, you're probably wondering how much each configuration will cost, which brings us to the complete breakdown of every trim level and its pricing. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Ram 2500 lineup offers 9 distinct trim levels, each targeting specific buyer needs and budgets. This comprehensive range ensures every customer can find the right balance of features, capability, and price. The Tradesman starts the lineup at $47,875, focusing on essential capability without unnecessary frills. This base model includes the powerful Hemi V8 8-speed automatic transmission and all the safety features required for commercial use. The first upgrades come with Lone Star and Bighorn, both start at $51,625, adding regional styling cues and enhanced comfort features. Then there's the new Black Express at $53,735, delivers remarkable value by combining the Tradesman's solid foundation with styling upgrades that create premium visual appeal. The Warlock pricing starts at $57,165, making serious off-road capability accessible to buyers who previously couldn't afford specialized trail trucks, while the Laramie trim begins at $63,630, representing Ram's sweet spot for buyers who want luxury features without paying premium prices. The Rebel starts at $70,775 and comes with exclusive styling, advanced four-wheel drive systems, and trail-ready features, while the Power Wagon pricing begins at $74,270, offering the most extreme off-road capability in the Ram lineup, with disconnecting front anti-roll bar and winch-ready front bumper, among other upgrades. Finally, Limited and Longhorn trims both start at $75,630, representing the pinnacle of heavy-duty luxury. These top-tier models include premium leather, real wood trim, and exclusive features that rival luxury car appointments while maintaining full heavy-duty capability. The 2026 Ram 2500 represents a masterclass in how to evolve a winning formula without losing what made it special in the first place. By adding the value-focused Black Express and Warlock trims, Ram now offers serious heavy-duty capability starting at just over $50,000, but they didn't achieve affordability by cutting corners on quality or performance. The proven Hemi V8 and legendary Cummins diesel powertrains deliver the reliability that commercial users demand, while the class-leading suspension and luxury interior appointments ensure that drivers never have to choose between capability and comfort. The thing with this segment is that all three American manufacturers offer amazing trucks, which is why you should also check out our video about powertrain options on the 2026 Ford Super Duty. If you're ready to sacrifice a bit of comfort for maximum engine performance, then this truck is the right choice for you. All that torque ensures that the Super Duty features class-leading towing capacity, which is, after all, one of the things that matter the most.